Hello, today we will guide you through how to correctly enter a refund in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record money going back to a customer so your sales, inventory, and bank balances stay accurate. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the main dashboard, move your mouse to the Create button near the top left. A menu will appear with common transactions. Choose Refund Receipt. This is the correct form when you're actually returning funds to a customer, as opposed to issuing only a credit to use later. On the Refund Receipt screen, select the customer. Make sure you pick the same customer tied to the original sale so the refund links cleanly in their history. Next, choose the payment method. This should reflect how you're giving the money back, such as credit card, check, or cash, so your records mirror the real-world refund and your reports remain consistent. Now choose Refund From. This is the account the money is leaving, typically your checking account, petty cash, or an undeposited funds account if you'll group refunds before making a bank entry. Picking the correct account prevents reconciliation headaches later. Set the refund receipt date to the actual date the refund was issued. Accurate dating ensures the transaction lands in the right reporting period and supports clean month-end and year-end financials. In the product and service details, select the product service that's being refunded. This step matters because it reverses the original income for that item, and if it's an inventory product, it can impact quantities and cost tracking. Enter the quantity being returned or refunded. If it's a partial refund, adjust the quantity to match exactly what you're reversing. Review the rate and enter or confirm the amount. QuickBooks will calculate the line total based on your entries. Make sure the total matches what you intend to refund, including any adjustments or discounts you promised the customer. If the original sale included tax, ensure the refund aligns with that treatment so your tax reporting remains correct. When everything looks right, select Save and New. This records the refund and opens a fresh form in case you have another to enter. If this is your only refund today, you can choose to close the screen instead after saving. Before you move on, take a moment to confirm the refund appears in the customer's transaction list and the correct bank or cash account reflects the outgoing amount. That's it. You've properly entered a refund in QuickBooks Online.